A one-day international workshop on importance of language and religion in safeguarding cultural diaspora was held today at VC's Court Hall, Manipur University, Kanchipur. MU Vice-Chancellor Jarnal Singh during the workshop underlined on the need of preserving other religions and languages besides protecting our own religion and languages. The workshop was organized by Department of Dance and Music, UGC Stride Component 1, Manipur University under the aegis of UGC Stride Component 1, UGC, New Delhi. A team of IMPHAL police station caught a serial bag snatcher. The arrested has been identified as 26-year-old Khuraizam Aruba, son of KH Ibotombi of Sagoban Ingudam Lairak, IMPHAL. A police report said he was arrested along with a Royal Enfield Bullet motorcycle in the early hours of the morning. In the latest incident, Aruba allegedly snatched a handbag containing some money and gold jewelries from a woman pedestrian at Kaisamthong Top Lairak Machin, IMPHAL West last morning. In a move to start coffee plantation in Manipur and eliminate illegal practice of poppy cultivation, the Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board under the aegis of Coffee Board of India carried out a special inspection visit to Lambui Ramba village under Ukhrul district yesterday. The team comprised of two Japanese experts, namely Yutaka Agatsuma, chairman of Alternative Plant for Opium or Poppy, Sendai, Japan, and Terutai Watanabe, Director TMH Green Private Limited, Tokyo, Japan, Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board Chairman L. Radhakishore and other officials. Around 21 acres of illegal poppy plantations at the Machi Hill Range under Machi Police Station of Technopal District were destroyed by a combined team of Technopal District Police, Narcotics Affairs and Border NAB and 8 Manipur Rifles. Manipur cyclist Rohan started a 6-month-long solo ride to Tokyo, Japan yesterday. This is Rohan's 6th ride. Khel Ratna Awadi Dr. Malik flagged off trip from New Delhi. A one-day awareness program on can and bamboo was held at the Academic Hall, Department of Southeast Asian Studies, Manipur University, IMPHAL today. The event was jointly organized by Can and Bamboo Technology Center, Bernihat, Assam and Apunba Imagi Machasing, Ames. Manipur under the sponsorship of Northeastern Council NEC Shillong, Ministry of Donor Government of India. Divine Life Club Youth extended monetary help to TN Memorial Academy of Hairok Patri, Champrathong. The academy along with the boarding and a house caught fire on the intervening night of February 11 and 12. Oina Municipal Council organized an awareness program on source segregation and disposal with ward-wise distribution of household bins and enrollment for door-to-door collection yesterday. The program was held under Swachh Bharat Mission Urban, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs at Oinam Awang Laikai Community Hall. The Mizoram government will set up trauma centers in Aizawl Civil Hospital and other district hospitals. Health Minister Dr. R. Lalthang Liana yesterday said that the trauma center at Aizawl Civil Hospital is a ₹5 crore project. At least one policeman was killed and 2 injured today when an improvised explosive device went off near a police mobile van deployed for the security of police workers in northwest Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, officials said, according to a media report. The head of a leading hospital in China's central city of Wuhan, the epicenter of a coronavirus outbreak, died of COVID-19 today, becoming the second prominent Chinese doctor to have succumbed to the outbreak. According to media reports, Liu Jiming, the director of Wuhan Wuchang Hospital, died at around 10:30 a.m. today. Earlier this month, Li Wenliang, a doctor who was previously reprimanded for issuing an early warning about the coronavirus, had died after getting the virus. Sachin Tendulkar collected the LAUREUS Sporting Moment of the year 2000-2020 for the World Cup winning celebration in 2011. It was India's first World Cup win on home soil and its second cricket world title. Sachin was honored by tennis legend Boris Becker and former competitor and a good friend Steve Waugh. Formula One champion Lewis Hamilton and Barcelona forward Lionel Messi were declared joint winners of the LAUREUS World Sportsman of the Year award in Berlin, where the voting tied for the first time in the award's 20-year history. The Tokyo Marathon, one of the world's largest races with an estimated 38,000 runners, has been restricted to only 200 elite runners because of new cases of the coronavirus confirmed within Japan, according to a media report.